Okay, question 7. We've got the graph of x squared minus 6x plus 4, and we've been asked to write down the intercept. Is this function the same all the way through this question? Yes, it is. They're not playing any dastardly tricks on us. That's the intercept. So the answer to part A's question is, reading off, the x value is 0 and the y value is 4. Part B asks us to write down the coordinates of the turning point. Well, that's the turning point. And again, reading off from the graph, the turning point is at x first 3, -5. Part C, use the graph to find the estimates of the roots. And there they are. Again, reading off the graph, roots. The first root, reading off 0.8, 0, and 5.2, also 0. And those are your answers.